In this guide, we're going over the very best deck for you to use here in Arena 13 in Clash Royale. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But Arena 13 brings us one of the most aggressive control decks here in Clash Royale. Let me introduce you to the P.E.K.K.A. Zap Bridge Spam. This is a 3.9 elixir deck that combines some of the strongest punish cards in the game with one of the best defensive tanks. Your P.E.K.K.A. is going to be the centerpiece of this deck. P.E.K.K.A. is going to delete tanks like the Golem, the Giant, or even Mega Knight and instantly force respect on defense. Once the P.E.K.K.A. is down, though, what you're going to want to do is turn defense into offense by pairing it with something like a Battle Ram or a Bandit to apply immediate bridge pressure. The Royal Ghost is going to sneak past enemies, forcing awkward responses, while Electro Wizard is going to add reliable stuns that can shut down Infernos, Sparky, and Swarms. Magic Archer is going to bring in the long range value, lining up those clean shots through support units and towers if you end up positioning him correctly. And for the spells on this deck, you do have Fireball and Zap. Fireball is obviously going to be good for clearing out glass cannons like Musketeer, Magic Archer, or even Flying Machine, while Zap is going to give you cheap Cycle and resets Infernos, Sparky, and Swarms. This deck is rated godly in both attack and defense with great synergy and great versatility. The only drawback is the fact that it doesn't have the best free-to-play score ever, since there is so many legendaries required to use this deck. But if you do have the cards, this is by far one of the most rewarding and dominant bridge spam decks here in the game. That is Arena 13 though. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.